The magic of contouring, sculpting your features. Contouring has taken the beauty world by storm, and for good reason. It's like magic for your face. Contouring uses makeup to enhance your natural bone structure. It creates shadows and highlights that can slim down features, define cheekbones, and even reshape your nose. Think of it like painting with light and shadow. Darker shades create the illusion of depth, while lighter shades bring features forward. The result? A more sculpted, defined, and radiant you. Contouring might seem intimidating at first, but it's easier than you think. With the right products, tools, and techniques, anyone can master this transformative makeup technique. Whether you're a makeup newbie or a seasoned pro, get ready to unlock the secrets of contouring and discover a whole new level of beauty confidence. Choosing your contour weapons. Products for every skin. The key to flawless contouring lies in choosing the right products for your skin type and tone. There's a whole world of contour products out there, from creamy sticks to blendable powders. For dry skin, cream contour products are your best friend. They glide on smoothly and add hydration. Look for creamy sticks or liquid formulas that blend easily without clinging to dry patches. If you have oily skin, powder contour products will be your go-to. They provide a matte finish and help control shine throughout the day. Opt for finely milled powders that won't look cakey or emphasize pores. When it comes to choosing the right shade, the general rule is to go 2 shades darker than your natural skin tone for contour. Look for cool toned shades with a grayish undertone, as these mimic natural shadows. For highlighting, choose a shade 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. Champagne and pearly shades work well for fair skin, while golden and peachy tones complement medium to deep complexions. Tools of the trade. Blenders, brushes, and more. Having the right tools is just as important as choosing the right products. The right tools will help you blend seamlessly and achieve a natural-looking contour. A makeup sponge is essential for blending cream contour products. Its dampened surface picks up and blends product evenly for a flawless finish. For powder contour, a fluffy angled brush is your best bet. The angled shape hugs the hollows of your cheeks and other contours of your face, allowing for precise application. A smaller blending brush is perfect for targeting smaller areas like the sides of the nose and the crease of the eyelids. It allows for controlled application and blending. Don't forget about a fan brush. This versatile tool is perfect for applying highlighter to the high points of your face. Its light and airy bristles diffuse product evenly for a soft, radiant glow. Know your angles. Contouring for different face shapes. Just like every face is unique, so too is the way we contour. Identifying your face shape is crucial for determining where to place your contour and highlight to accentuate your best features. If you have a round face, focus on slimming down the sides of your face and defining your cheekbones. Apply contour along your temples, jawline, and the hollows of your cheeks. For square faces, soften the angles by contouring along the hairline, temples, and jawline. Add highlight to the center of the forehead, chin, and under the eyes to brighten and soften. Those with heart-shaped faces can create balance by contouring along the temples and tapering it down towards the jawline. Highlight the center of the forehead, under the eyes, and the chin to draw attention to the center of the face. If you have an oval face, you're lucky. You can contour lightly along the hairline, cheekbones, and jawline to enhance your already balanced features. Section 5. Contouring 101, a step-by-step guide. Now that you know your face shape and have the right products, it's time to put your knowledge into practice. Follow these simple steps for a flawless contour. Step 1. Prep your canvas. Start with a clean and moisturized face. Apply your foundation and concealer as usual. Step 2. Map your contour. Lightly draw lines along the areas you want to define. This includes the hollows of your cheeks, temples, hairline, and jawline. Step 5. Blend, blend, blend. Blend the contour lines seamlessly into your foundation. Section 6. Highlight and shine, adding dimension to your face. Highlighting goes hand in hand with contouring. It adds dimension and brightness to your face, making your features pop. Apply highlighter to the high points of your face, where the light naturally hits. This includes the tops of your cheekbones, brow bone, down the bridge of your nose, Cupid's bow, and center of your chin. Use a light hand and blend the highlighter seamlessly into your foundation and contour. You want a natural-looking glow, not a disco ball effect. Experiment with different highlighter finishes to find what works best for your skin type and desired look. Powder highlighters provide a more intense glow, while liquid and cream formulas offer a subtle sheen. Section 7. Blending like a pro, creating a seamless finish. Blending is arguably the most crucial step in contouring. It's what transforms those harsh lines into a natural-looking, sculpted finish. Use a light hand and blend in circular motions for a seamless transition between your contour, foundation, and highlighter. When blending your contour, avoid bringing the product down too low on your face. This can drag your features down and create a muddy look. Instead, focus on blending upwards and outwards. For a natural finish, blend your contour into your hairline and down your neck. This will prevent any harsh lines and ensure your makeup looks seamless. Take your time and blend in layers until you achieve your desired level of intensity. Remember, it's easier to add more product than it is to take it away. Section 8. Contouring for every occasion, day to night looks. Contouring doesn't have to be dramatic or over the top. You can easily adapt your contouring technique for any occasion, from a natural everyday look to a glamorous evening out. For daytime, opt for a subtle contour using a powder product. Apply it lightly to the hollows of your cheeks, temples, and jawline for a soft, natural definition. For a night out, you can be more daring with your contour. Use a cream or liquid contour product for a more intense look. Don't be afraid to build up the product gradually for a more sculpted and dramatic effect. Play around with different highlighter shades and finishes to complement your eye makeup and outfit. A champagne highlighter is perfect for a subtle daytime glow, while a golden or bronze shade adds a touch of glam to your evening look. Section 9. Common contouring mistakes and how to avoid them. Even seasoned makeup pros make mistakes from time to time. Here are some common contouring pitfalls and how to avoid them. Choosing the wrong shade. Using a contour shade that's too dark or warm for your skin tone can look unnatural and muddy. Always swatch shades on your jawline to find the right match. Overblending. While blending is crucial, overblending can make your contour disappear. Blend just enough to soften the lines and create a seamless transition. Applying too much product. Start with a small amount of product and build up gradually as needed. It's easier to add more than to remove excess product. Ignoring your face. Shape. Contouring should enhance your natural features, not mask them. Tailor your contouring technique to your face shape for the most flattering results. Section 10. Practice makes perfect. Mastering the art of contouring. Like any makeup technique, contouring takes practice. Don't get discouraged if your first attempts don't turn out perfectly. Experiment with different products, tools, and techniques to find what works best for you. Watch tutorials, read articles, and don't be afraid to ask for advice from makeup artists or beauty enthusiasts. The more you practice, the more confident and skilled you'll become. Soon, you'll be contouring like a pro and turning heads wherever you go. Remember, makeup is about expressing yourself and having fun. Embrace your creativity, experiment, and enjoy the transformative power of contouring.